Welcome to all. Today we'll discuss the trigonometric ratio tan x and its graph. Okay, tan theta we know how it is described. Opposite side to theta upon adjacent side to theta. Okay, see, not only in trigonometry, it can be connected to coordinate geometry. Okay, there what tan will describe means this that will describe rise by step. Rise by step is nothing but slope of the line we can find. Suppose a x1 y1 b x2 y2 are 2 points, then how we can find slope means here this construction and all we have to draw the perpendiculars. Okay, AC perpendicular to bq, like that you will draw. Then opposite side here is bc, so first we have to describe the bc length. See, we know bq length, that is distance from x-axis, means y2, and CQ length we know that is y1. Then BC is from total length, you take away this, then that is nothing but y2 minus y1. Okay. Similarly, this AC length, how it can be described means x2 minus x1. Rise by step. Slope, how we will calculate y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Not only in coordinate geometry, this is rate of change. This will be used in differentiation. That purpose of differentiation is to find slope. Okay. And also see, tan theta can be described in terms of other trigonometric ratios like sine theta upon cos theta. We'll find trigonometric ratios values for some trigonometric ratios. 0 degrees. I'll tell a shortcut to remember this. It will help you in public exams. This you can write 0 by root 0 by 4 you write. This one root 1 by 4. This one root 2 upon 4. This one square root of 3 upon 4, square root of 4 upon 4. Okay, up to 90 it will work. 0 by anything 0. So sine 0 is 0. 1 by 2 it is, see, root 4 means you can write 2, no? Sine 30, 1 by 2. You can cancel 2 1s, 2 2s. So this will come sine 45, 1 upon root 2. Sine 30 value, root 3 upon 2 it will come. Sine 90 value, 1 it will come. Here it is increasing from 0 to 1. Cos it will decrease from 0 to 90. So write the values reverse. Cos 0 value 1. Cos 30 value root 3 upon 2. Sin 45, cos 45 both are same. Okay. Cos 60 1 by 2. Cos 90 0. And that 180, 270, 360, this we learned in unit circle. See here, x coordinate will describe cos and y coordinate describes sine. So sine 180, you see, cos 180 is minus 1 and sine 180 is 0. Similarly, here cos 270 is 0 and sine 270 is minus 1. Next, 360 degrees. 360 degrees, cos 360 degrees is 1 and sine 360 degrees is 0. 360 means it will fall at 0 degrees, same, it will come to original position. Okay. Now tan values. Tan we know sine theta by cos theta. 0 by anything 0. Tan 0 is 0. And also see, tan will describe slope, no? Horizontal line slope. Horizontal line slope means y coordinates will be same, 0. 0 by anything 0. Tan 0 0. On horizontal line you cannot slide. Okay, on the floor you cannot slide. You can fall. That means that is slippery or some other friction will comes into picture. But slope will not be there. Slanting line, then only slope will be there. Okay, 30 degrees. We have to divide sine by cos. That means 1 by root 3 it is. Tan 45 both are same, sine and cos 45. So it will come 1. So tan 60 degrees root 3. Tan 90 you see. 1 upon 0. Denominator we cannot have 0 not defined. See, vertical line. Can we have slope? If you climb, you cannot slide, you will directly fall and you will break your leg. So not defined. So 180 degrees, so tan 180 degrees 0, tan 270 degrees not defined, tan 360 degrees 0. See, up to here it is increasing. See, it is increasing function. When values are increasing, x values, y values are also increasing, tan x. So it is increasing function. That we can see in graph also. See, it will be like this. From bottom to top it will. Okay, now we'll show the graph and we'll describe its domain and all, everything we'll do. Okay, first we'll see the tan graph in Desmos. Tan x, it is like this. Bring the picture here. Okay. See here, 0. Values also we have described. Tan 45, 1. Okay, here it will be. Okay, 45 degrees at 1. Next you see, tan 90, see, this curve, it goes to infinity. Similarly, minus 90 also, it goes to minus infinity. Okay, this is, see, unbounded and as well as discontinuous. This and all, we can make a notes. So domain, what we can say? Domain of the graph. See, we have seen where and all it is discontinuous. We have 90 plus or minus 90. Okay, and also plus or minus. Okay, this 270 degrees. Minus 270, 270, it is not described. So odd multiples of 90 degrees we cannot take. 2n plus 1. We discontinuous there we can write. Range, you see, y values, the curve will cover entire y axis. No? Real numbers are minus infinity to infinity, you can write. Okay, principal domain we have seen minus pi by 2, pi by 2, minus 90 to 90. And tan x always is increasing function. Okay. Graph also you have observed, no? Graph, if you see, from bottom to top, it is increasing, see, observe. Everywhere, it might be discontinuous, but it is increasing. And also it is not bounded, unbounded, we can say. Tan minus x, here only you see tan minus x values, we get tan minus 90 values. What you will get? Minus tan x will get. From graph also we can see. It is a odd function. Okay, one second. And just we have to describe the period. What is the period of the, we have seen minus 90 to 90. So 180 degrees is period. So pi radians you can write. This discontinuous, this also we have seen 90 plus or minus 90 plus or minus 270 degrees plus or minus odd multiples of 90 you have to write. You can write in radians also, see. Plus or minus pi by 2 radians plus or minus 3 pi by 2 radians plus or minus 5 pi by 2 radians. What we can write? Where and all it is discontinuous. 2n plus 1 odd multiples of 90 degrees, where n is some integer. And it has points of rotational symmetry where it is having, we have to observe. 0, it is clear. 180 degrees, minus 180 and 180 degrees, there and all if you rotate, okay, we'll get the same figures now. So it has, where it has on x-axis, it is having rotational symmetry, points of rotational symmetry. And at 0 degrees, there minus 180, we'll write in radians, plus or minus pi radians, plus or minus 2 pi radians. Okay, and so on. Okay, hope this section is very useful. Please like and subscribe for more videos.